2. Welcome to our online class. I am Soida Tamila Begum, Headmaster, Shapia Girls High School, Dildwar, Tangai. I hope all the students are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In the corona pandemic situation, all students should take care of your health, use mask and maintain social distance in order to our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. I presentation you a class 9 or 10, unit 2, lesson 6. I am showing you a picture. What's the picture about? The students, all students see in what purpose the processions brings out. Of course, it's a Mongol Shobhajatra. The profession, what purpose the profession bring out? Of course, Pohela Boishakh. Today's my lesson is Pohela Boishakh. You have heard in April 1, 2020, the government, to prevent the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19, the authorities concerned to postpone all the programs of Pohela Boishakh 14,027. Pohela Boishakh marks the first day of the Bengali solar calendar of Boishakh of the Bengali solar calendar. It is celebrated on 14th or 15th April in the Indian states of West Bengal, Tripura, Northern Odisha and parts of Assam by the people of Bengalis people, irrespective of their religious faith. Bengalis all over the world celebrate the New Year on this day. Bengali means ethnic people. The ethnic people lives in Bangladesh, in the West Bengal and Eastern India. To introduce the lesson, all students understand these new vocabularies. Some new vocabularies. This new vocabulary is inspire. Inspire, that means desire or confidence. Festive, typical of a special day. Organize, that means arrange. Renovate, new. Fascinating, attractive. All students, take your book and khata and necessary things to understand the lesson clearly. Open your book at page 39. Read the text. I read the text and follow me. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. This day has a special significance for us as it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspiration. Every year the day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers, while men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. One of the most colorful events of the day is held in Dhaka. Early in the morning, people in hundreds and thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Batumul organized by Sayanot. The cultural programs begin just at sunrise, and the renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous Tagore song, Esho He Boishak, Esho Esho. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and perform classical dances to the rhythm of musical instruments. People also come to join the colorful processions, the biggest carnival of the country, organized by the fine arts students of Dhaka University. The procession usually displays the traditional practices of Bengali culture. The mask and wreaths worn by the people are so fascinating. Often they symbolize contemporary worries or happiness in the national life. It attracts an increasing number of foreign tourists every year. The day is also observed all over the country. Different social and cultural organizations and educational institutes celebrate the day with their own cultural programs. On this day, newspapers bring out special supplements. There are also special programs on the radio and television. The celebration of Pohela Boishak marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. All students at home, read the lesson again and again, and you can understand the lesson clearly. Now, you write a paragraph about Pohela Boishak from the below keywords. All students read the lesson and when you write down a paragraph, you follow some keywords. First day, public holiday, significance, culture, tradition, inspire, hope and where. I hope all the students understand the lesson clearly. You are fine and you may save and safety from coronavirus disease. All the best. See you again. Allah Hafiz.